Manipurna inaugurate tawbigani inaugurate tawba matamda nasigi estimates na Srimati Musikovi Atopa, Commissioner Law Government of Manipur ngasigi thoro ngasigi thokre lo biriba state Mathanda, Honorable Mr. Justice Biren Singh, Judge High Court of Manipur.
माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी मणिपुर श्री N. Biren Singh, श्री बसंत कुमार सिंह, the Minister for Law and Legislative Affairs, Manipur, my brother Justice A. Biren Singh and Justice A. Guneshwar Sharma, and all the lawyers and dignitaries assembled here, including the chairperson of the Bar Council of Manipur, the president of the association, the Advocate General who is taking a break from Delhi, the Deputy Additional Advocate Generals, and the members of the bar, the members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, namaste, kurumjari. I have completed 2 months, enjoyed and reveled in the rich cultural heritage and diversity of this beautiful state in the past 2 months. I have had occasion to visit Tamenglong and Mao districts, and I believe I have this is just a tip from the Manipuri dance. And I'm talking about Bombay and not even Delhi. But Manipur has always had a place in my heart. I think I was just destined to be here in Manipur, and it's a great pleasure and an honor for me to be here. Moving on, I must thank the Chief Minister and the Law Minister and the Law Legislative Affairs Department, the Commissioner Legislative Affairs.
I am Honorable Kurumjari, Honorable Justice Siddharth Mirdulji, Chief Justice of High Court of Manipur, Honorable Minister Chief T.S. Basant Kumar, Minister of Law and Legislative Affairs Manipur, Justice Biren Singh, Judge High Court of Manipur, Justice A. Guneshwar Sharma, Justice Gormai Dr. Sanjeev Kabul, Sri Lenin Nijam, Advocate General, Srimati Ninshitom Dear Thokson, Commissioner Law, Government of Manipur, High Court Bar Association President, Manipur Bar Council Legislative Member Punamar, the officers. We're passing through a crucial time. Adubu had you see visit almost overcome today with the support of the masses. Raja Singh Matin Devi support Devi Kuzayamba Chibam Krafagale Marak Sida. We cannot stop our daily routine works also. We development the Wagera, Mother Wagera, we go to shoot. Lepayatava. Aduna, judiciary see democracy and Hyder, so everyone knows. It is the one of the pillar among the 3 pillars. Habuk Nabaya, kind of Bayadaba. Aduga justice Chief Justice ki mate khara laktogi gap khara there me adugu I'm really thanks to the Honorable Mr. Justice Siddharth Mirdulji, Chief Justice of High Court of Manipur. He willingly came down here in the state of Manipur and joined as a क्योंकि कभी-कभी मणिपुर को जानने के लिए कोई तो इतराज भी करता है नहीं कहाँ कैसे जाऊँ हमको मत भेजो that kind of things. But I am really proud of you and very glad. In the first meeting also just you have shown your friendliness and the love of the state, the people. And just recently also you mentioned about the culture, about the dances, about the natural beauties of the state. तस्वीर अखोगी मणिपुर से अदुक्की फजबा ममांगी last 6 years the change हमको उबीरगन अमुक थोकिलिबा मयाम अमैखोय war Miss India contest का तौदना tri-nation भी फुटबॉल टूर्नामेंट इंटरनेशनल भी का तौदना इंडिया की सिंटन बैठक इंडिया की मिनिस्टर मयाम से लागत तमदना हब अमा नेक्स्ट टू गुवाहाटी अगर even Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji ने गुवाहाटी तक ही मणिपुर ने प्रायोरिटी दी बना कोई फजल कल्चर कोई फजल सीनिक ब्यूटी कोई क्लाइमेट कोई मी सिंगी सिगी मैम से बोलता है कोई दा या अदुगो शिक्षु लेते शिक्षु में एयरपोर्ट इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट का सिटी का अथुब ने बड़ा सारे यामना मौन का सेंट्रल है बता द कोई किसी तरह लोग ये सेक्टर से द कोई स्टेट से द अवार्ड पड़ेगी law university immediately with the coming of the Honorable Chief Justice he asked me to establish one law university. Just on the way I also discussed with the learned LG that immediately we have to do one ordinance so that we can make a law university in the state of Manipur at the earliest. This is our commitment to use. Masimal linkadaga de koi gida asigi law college de lei rahe aduga law university chatai northeast ki state khadu dusu lei na kare but ekoi de masigi lei na aduna assembly session thamadi matam khar sangda do bolena it will take another 2 months session ni timing se adu mamang du da tawraka dai koi ordinance to mama tawraka CGC to get to the preparation of that part of ordinance as you have to lead the things you can submit to the cabinet so that we can pass the ordinance and then we can send to the government. State government should have logi mari le na possible adu le ro logi areas de de koi maintain na bahona ban lo yang ngai ba bana ba isen bi gormai koi tribal singi marka or lupi singi wena su ahan boina mana koi ki high court ki da judge wena la ki se koi mayam pura makli man koi lupi mayam ki da man ko samaj ki yam sabuk janengai ni hai sima so ino da thanks away adu nai matam jam sang lorge building sisu khazai building se ge tu mobile for kale khali tu justice will come out from such a beautiful building site we expect it amana manipur hoji thenari ba judges ma'am so honorable judges respect ma'am yaw bolena I want to give a little emphasis on drugs. Out of 30 lakhs populations, the Manipur is having around 1.5 lakhs drug users. That is the most challenging part of our society. Aduna sigi matang se da koi lebili ba learned puna mona. Kitang serious hoina. State government is also like a war on drug state shida. Everyone is supporting. I am not saying that support of the advocate. Everyone is supportive, but kita serious way. Amuan Gauragadi, we can totally eradicate drugs menace from the state of America. Simai, Mayami, am Sama Kaza Lay, Adu Guloina, Aquina Sidata, we were druggy, war on druggy Posina. We are also protecting and saving the millions of youth of the mainland India. Simuch of Wika over them. Aquina Sidata, because of course, get in that. According to the part of a drug, I am thinking it cannot pass through the mainland and youth children. And the sea, what I am saying, Kusam the rest of the Matam by such as and the Russians are put up. Infrastructure, the award for lady, but restriction the lady of Polypomay, and slowly. Parkan about and honoring the synthesis. Nasu Mayam Sedan Penamau Sali, Adagi Pamelo Sali, at the Hindi areas in Shima, no equivalent rural areas. When I see Shima Hela, policy lord, I have the young Hawaii, Yam the energetic going now, Yam aggressively walked away positively. But we don't push them out of capacity. When Hawagi. Hawal Kendragi, the Kabo Kendri, Pajapunama, the Sajo building sea, at the moment on the Saba, Logan Mambani, despite of having Corona and the physical crisis, problems in Martashu, Smile building number of shelters and La and the sea, at the engineers, Aduba Masiki concerned department officer could have my capacity, when they are going to my one of them.
You see, Manipur is a small state of having around 3 million people only, 30 lakhs, you know. But the drug users, numbers of youth is increasing day by day, around 1.5 lakhs. So the government has launched the war on drugs in the year 2019. Since then, we have eradicated many poppy plantations, we have arrested many drug smugglers, we have did whatever we can ever did.